Hey guys, this is Jeremy with Slate50 here. We're here doing an indoor interview. There's a little bit of reverb around here, so we got the Sennheiser MKH50, kind of pointed right at the sternum, connected down here to a Tascam AV4, and our time coders. We have our time coders. I checked with our DP. We're filming at 23.98 frames per second. Got to make sure the time coders are matched up to that, so everything will sync up nicely for our editor and post. Take care of your editor.